says pause down to below. That means it's running. Yep, there you go. It's ready. Can't see nothing.
That's fine, about the same as mine, John.
Just a little underpowered, huh?
You're going 20.
Well, you went by and you haven't come close. You get it? Let me turn around and come forward. This elevator's still too touchy.
Yeah, so is mine.
Huh. Here's the flying faster, John. By 2 miles an hour.
Fucking.
Yeah, I was bouncing like that too. I think we're still a little tail heavy.
No? I changed
The throw?
yeah. Well, I'm hardly getting any ailerons. Look at that.
Yeah. You don't have rates on yours?
No. Maybe more ailerons.
Oh, that way you're fine. The other way you're slow.
It's still slow there too.
I have plenty of aileron.
The elevator's way too touchy.
Yeah. I'm just trying to follow by eyesight. I can't really see it through the viewfinder, so.
I wonder if this might be too much prop for this.
Maybe.
7.4, you know?
Too much prop or not enough motor, one of the two.
Oh,
And they're flyable,
yeah.
but it didn't hardly want to get off the ground.
Yeah, see, I'm having to hold up elevator in it.
Yeah, that's what I was having to do also.
I changed that. One screw too much out on it. I got to pull up here on it.
Watch out for that sign out there too.
I know, but I'm sweating and I'm starting to get sweat now. I gotta land so I can see the land. Oh. I can't see.
There you go, you got it, you got it.
I couldn't, no, it wasn't there. I couldn't see because the sweat's running down my eye.
Oh.